Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome Memorial Day weekend, and I want to thank all those veterans out there that have dedicated their lives to serving our country, or that have served at any point in their life. I want to thank you guys so much, and my thought are with those that died also for our country. Anyways, so I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to step back out here so you guys can see. Okay, let me show you guys here. Finally, so today was supposed to be raining, but I don't know what happened. It didn't rain. I'm not going to complain about that because now my plants can come out and it doesn't have to feel so cluttered in there. At least like my big pots. So everything's doing well. With all the rain, I had to put these inside there. That one I wasn't sure. I'm sure that one will do fine, but this one I can see, you know, that it wasn't doing well. So I had to go in there so that it wouldn't get any more rain. Max, want to say hi? You say hi? Come here. Hey, Max, come say hi. Say hi, Max, come. Say hello. Yes. Okay, guys, look, my niece made that for me. I think you guys saw this on my Instagram. If you didn't, you need to check out my Instagram, Baby Abreu 22. Also, guys, she made some other different ones to sell because I told her that she totally should try to sell these, that she does such a great job, and she just graduated high school. So I'm sure she needs to start, you know, saving up money to, you know, for school and to purchase a car. So that is a great way. So I'll be posting that soon on my Instagram. See if you guys are interested in buying it. Hers won't say greenhouse. It's going to say the succulent garden. So keep an eye out for that. Now let's just check this inside. I added some new shelves. Some of you guys have seen it if you've seen my live stream. If you didn't, well, this will be your first time seeing it. Okay. So everything is doing well for now. I think I showed you guys this, that I added this basket there to have more spots to put plants. Also, I'm excited that I found this candle holder, and I got a great idea of putting it that way, so that was pretty cool, and it just helps me use up more of my space that I have in here. And sorry, because they decided to make noise out there, so you guys have to bear with the noise a little bit. So these are my pots that I have been making, and these are my new cactuses that you guys see me pot. So this one I had to split up from this one. They were sharing that pot, but they've gotten big and the roots was actually coming out through the drainage, so I had to take it out. So I have to tell you guys that I'm kind of disappointed with my pots. The clear, the glaze, whatever you want to call it, the finish that I bought says that it won't turn yellow, but it is turning yellow. Here's an example. You can kind of see a little bit of yellow tint. Oh, there it is. You can see there a lot of yellow. So I just don't know why it's doing that. It says that it's not supposed to do that. So I might contact the company and see. Oh, it was so windy, guys. Yesterday I was scared that my pots would get knocked down by the wind pushing on the plastic, but thankfully they didn't. So my prince is doing very well. So big. I wish it would get more sun. As you guys know, it's been very gloomy here lately, so no sun. There's some propagation over there. These are doing well. They're doing well. I don't know if you guys seen this hanging plant. I don't know if I got to show it to you. So I got a new plant that I purchased at Home Depot the other day. I just got one. And this is the Senecio Radiance Rockula. So it's a mixture of, like, if you would take the pearl and the banana one and mix it together, that's what this is. It's not the banana plant. See, because it's more like, it still has like a slightly ball shape. So I'm excited. I'm going to put this one in here. But, so that the roots are not like reaching. I don't know how to explain it. I'm going to put some styrofoam in here. And, you know, fill it up a good amount, which that will also provide good drainage, and then I'll put it in there. So that's what I'm going to do with that. My Echeverria Debbie is losing its color because it hasn't seen any good sunlight. She's doing well. This cactus right here. I'm trying to see what this thing is. I see like a weird nub. I don't know what that is. Some weird little thing there. Anyways, these are doing well. I'm thinking about actually potting this finally. Maybe putting some of these in there. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Here, these are doing well. Oh, so you guys, I was thinking about telling you all the names of most of the plants, but that would be a super long video. So if it's easier for me, if you see a plant that you like and you want to know the name of it, you just tell me the timing of when you saw it, and then I just go back and look at it and then tell you the name. Because I don't know them by memory, so I have to look at the label and read it. Actually, I would have to try to pronounce it, which is difficult. But this is my pink butterflies. This is the Kalanchoe pink butterflies. And normally those little flowers, I mean, they're little baby plants, would be more pink in color. So here we have, this one's about to bloom again. This is the Cactus Domino. This is Browning Hurtling. It's so hard to pronounce these things. So, but I'm pretty sure if you put blue cactus, this will probably come up. This one and that one. So pretty much they're all doing good. Look, my imbricata is about to flower. It is losing a lot of leaves, like lately, dried leaves at the bottom. So I need to dig into this pot and see what's going on, because this plant, I beheaded it because it started to rot, and but it wasn't being overwatered, so I didn't understand. So today I pulled it out again because I noticed some leaves acting like they're rotting, and it is infested, guys, with some type of bug. Look, they're walking all around it. So I need to like take this apart. I'm probably gonna do this like right now. As soon as I'm done doing this video, I'm gonna do that because I do not want this to spread. I think I'm gonna do it also outside the greenhouse, just to make sure I don't drop any bugs on any other plants. Here, a lot of the propagations. The girls are about to go in the pool, so you'll hear them talking. Hey guys, so I had to deconstruct this arrangement because of that plant I showed you earlier. It was just looking like it's rotting, but yet I haven't been overwatering it. So I decided to pull it out, and I had to pretty much almost completely get rid of the whole plant. Like, this is the only thing that I can salvage because most of the stem was infested with some type of bug all the way in there, and this is where I didn't see any more infestation. So I think I took a clip of what the stem looked like, so I'll show you. Then also my Pomadonis, I remember that she was also behaving like if I was overwatering it, and I wasn't. So I'm gonna have to behead most of it because that end of the stem does not look good. And I think I scraped most of it off, but I think there was bugs living in there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and behead it as far up as I can. and I rinsed them out really good. I washed the roots and everything under running rainwater. So all the other ones I did the same. I feel like these are okay, I guess. The plants, I mean the bugs didn't really target these because I guess they're not really like fat or whatever. They don't carry lots of water like the other ones do. So I'm assuming that's why it was, because I didn't see any damage or any bugs on the stem of these, and their roots look really good. Another one that I feel like I'm gonna behead is this one. I just don't like the way the stem looks. Yeah, I just really don't like the appearance of it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and behead it, because I know that, you know, she'll root just fine. And I threw away the dirt. I tossed everything out of this container and I rinsed it out, and that's how I feel like it's the best way. It's the best way to just get rid of everything. Even the rocks that were in here, I dumped them in pool water, so they're sitting in a bucket with pool water, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for like a long time and let whatever bugs are in there just drown, and I think that will be good. So guys, what I'm gonna do with these, I feel like I could pot these if I want, and not water it, because the roots are pretty soaked and it'll be fine. So, but I'm not sure what I want to do, because I haven't decided in what pots I want to put them. You guys see, this is a good example. So when you look at it like this, the stem looks like, oh well, that's okay because it feels hard and not squishy. But I went ahead and cut the Pomodonis, and look how bad that looks. Let me see if I can focus on it. Look at how bad the inside, even this right here, that looks pretty bad. So I'm gonna have to pull some of these leaves and cut deeper to see how far I can go without losing. I cut it again, and still I might need to go even deeper. I don't know if I'll be able to salvage it, because that stem doesn't look good there. So pretty much the Pomodonis was a goner. It's the only thing I can salvage where the stem looked clean. Keep a focus for me. Where'd it go? Right there. Everything else just kept looking bad every time I would cut into it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and probably, I guess I'll try to see if I can propagate some of these leaves, but the rest of them are probably garbage. So guys, that's it for my update. That's it. I just wanted to share with you guys that. And thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.